Don't miss this video. If you're looking for a coin that can bounce the most from this bonk meta, stay, because I'm going to reveal to you the coin that I think has the most potential to bounce right now from this dip. So stay tuned right until the end, because I'm going to reveal this tiny market cap coin with massive bounce potential, and I'm also going to explain why I think bonk is only midway through its pump and can go much higher, and it's going to bring all of this meta even higher. Meme coins are only beginning to bounce, and this is just the start of the true alt season. So please leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and let's get on to it. No time to waste. 1, 2, 3. Here we are with Momo. We're gonna start the show with my darling, our close friend, Momo. Momo is at a perfect dip right now, and I think it's gonna bounce. If you look at the price chart, let's first understand this trend line. It got touched once, twice, 3 to 4 times now. So this is a very strong trend line. And what's gonna happen is once the price breaks above, right around 14.5, when it breaks above, I think it's just gonna coil up and go into that 50 million market cap zone as a first target for this bounce. It's looking very bullish. It's just compressing. Every time it dips a little bit heavier, whales come and they're scooping all your coins. Once we get through that resistance, and it's not gonna take much to go from 11.9 to 15 million market cap. It's not gonna take much. It's just a matter of something like a 30% pump. Once this goes 30% up, then we start the actual dip pump. We actually started, and I think we're just gonna go fast into all-time highs, and then we will go and touch that 50 million market cap zone. We have established a strong support 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, almost 4 times. 3 times is usually when you can consider a dip to be a very strong support. We have that. Then we have the resistance, and I mean, the price is just compressing. And this is very similar to other charts. For example, as this guy points out, Momo chart looks very similar to the chart 𝗘𝗫𝗖𝗛𝗃. Let's look at 𝗘𝗫𝗃 pre-pump to 50 million market cap. Look, exactly the same. Pump to 20 million, compression there to 10, 11, then 10, 11 million market cap there. And then we had, after it coiled a little bit, we had that pump to 50 million market cap. And I think we're going in a similar direction to 𝗘𝗫𝗃. Then another thing, whales are starting to dip their toes. Okay, you can see this on chain, 100% proved. We have, people starting to put 170, 200 SOL, slowly starting to put in, and these people establish a very strong floor that we then can turn into the starting point for our next level. Now let's look at the metadata, let's look at the facts and the numbers on something like Momo. This is very impressive. We got almost 6,000 holders in just a week. Okay, this is very rare. This obviously doesn't happen every single day. Then when you look at token transfers and you look at this activity, is still growing. More important here, when you look at total sell volume, it's kind of decreasing from yesterday a little bit, the total token sell volume. All we need is a tiny slightly bit of push on the buy volume, and we start the next rally essentially. And then also very interesting, if you look at top 10 holder collectively owned, the token distribution is very good, 15% basically amongst the top 10 holders. Like me, I'm not selling. I'm not looking to sell and dump on my viewers at all. So yeah, I haven't touched my bags essentially. And then you have the rest distributed, the other 85% tokens to the rest of all the people. So the distribution of the token is pretty good. The top 10 holders, if you look on chain, are all holding, which is very good. Like the whales are behaving very well, and we have well-connected people. I don't even know, we got whales watching. They put us on LBank, MEXC, Gate.io. This should cost the team $120,000. So either we have someone who's watching us and put 120k plus to get us connected, to get us on all these exchanges, or the exchanges connected us for free because we have a whale watching that's very well connected, and maybe he didn't even pay, but he's just very well connected. But anyways, everything happening is extremely bullish, and I think this is a great dip. You always buy when it feels more fearful. Then, ladies and gentlemen, why is everything dipping? Well, bonk took a small dip, okay? Just a break halfway through its run. As I said, once bonk broke through this previous trend line resistance that lasted, I don't know, 2.5 years, huge. Once it broke, it's just halfway through to all-time highs. Once bonk gets all-time highs, then I think that's when things on chain that are related to bonk will go even more nuclear. So this is like the last dip you get before we go full mania, full parabola when it comes to this bonk meta. Obviously, bonk's sister, when it comes to this meta, is like one of the strongest ideas, one of the strongest narratives. So is this a good dip to buy? TA wise, yes. Narrative wise, yes. Chart wise, yes. All I see is like everything is bullish for us right now. Everything. Then bonk will continue its run. It will, I think, break through all-time highs. It will create a higher candle and then correct back a little bit. Maybe even print a cup and handle, similar to what we're seeing with, for example, HOSICO is is one of the main bonk meta coins that even the bonk team is in. I've seen big people within the bonk team and they all are buying or holding 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. This is also a great coin. Look, U-shaped type recovery, cup and handle. This is one of the most bullish patterns you can see in crypto. And then continuation of the trend. I'm still a holder in 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. I'm still a believer in 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 and bullish. And I think bonk, 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, Momo, useless, all these three are going to do incredibly well in the continuation of this run. And then also we're seeing a dip on useless. So it's normal. All the coins are dipping, all of them within the bonk ecosystem. Finally, BTC had a small correction here, but Bitcoin is still on an upwards trending channel, still in it. And I don't think anyone believes 120k is the top maximum. Like worst case scenario, it's just a local top, but the actual top of the entire run, no, it doesn't feel topish. You know, last time we had a local top, we had Trump launch a meme coin. This time we should have like a major top signal. We should have full-blown euphoria and mania. We're not even close to any of that. So buy every single dip opportunity you can. We're building something very special here with Momo. No big KOLs yet. We have a ton of potential here. I'm gonna stick with Momo for the long term. The burns continue. We are seeing thousands and thousands of dollars being burned every single day. And yeah, I just think we're gonna have a bullish weekend. I hope you all enjoy your weekend. I'm gonna be back on Monday with more charts, with more updates on what's happening in the market. We're still in a very bullish market. We're still in this bonk meta narrative. And all I'm seeing long term is everything is incredibly bullish. So I'm very positive. I hope you are too. Enjoy this dip and I'll see you guys on Monday. Thank you very much.